After hearing Russell's strange recording, I realized quite quickly that, I was a little out of my depth. That was the most weird sound. It's just strange.
To analyze the clicking sound that Russell recorded on his parabolic microphone.
Hey, Stuart, how you doing?
I'm doing very well. How are you?
Bryce has contacted primate communications expert Professor Stuart Semple.
Thank you so much for taking the time to speak with us. Just to give you a little context, one of our team members was in the field and with his parabolic microphone captured this recording.
That's an interesting noise.
That's what I thought.
It's intriguing. It's not a sound I've heard before. It's sort of reminiscent of, in primates, there's a kind of a teeth chattering sound that they make. Mm-hmm. And we think that teeth chattering is one of these calls that plays a key role in mediating the social interactions and social relationships in these rich, complex social environments that these animals live in.
Oh, that's interesting. What does this sort of teeth chattering indicate in forms of communication?
Sometimes in the mating season, males from some groups will move to the edge of another group and then try and kind of persuade females in that group that they're friendly and they want to mate with them. And there's often some teeth chattering back and forward there.
So these sounds could be a form of a mating call.
Yeah, absolutely.
I've always wondered why Washington had more reports than any other state, and now maybe we know why. Maybe these creatures are coming to Washington to look for mates. When Russ recorded this, it sounds like what you're saying is there's a good chance that there was probably another one close by.
If this is teeth chattering, then yeah, there'll be another animal close by.
Wow. Stuart, this has been really helpful.
That's an absolute pleasure. Good luck with your expedition.
Thank you. Wow. What really piqued my interest was this idea that if Russell, in fact, did record a potential mating call of a Bigfoot, that points to why Washington is significant. In Northern California, we believed they went to the Lost Coast to give birth and raise their families. But here in Washington, they might be looking for mates.